Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2651 at Méridien Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Alright, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. On this side, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, privacy switch, light switches, and another light switch for the minibar, which is located right here. You have the countertop with a couple of bottles of water and a couple of plugs. The light is right above and below. You have your kettle and storage. Here we have glasses, cups, all the tea and coffee stuff, and a coffee tea making machine thing. And down here we have the fridge with an ice tray. And is there anything down here? Yep, more storage. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. It is a compact and unique layout, but I like it. Here we have the wardrobe area with mirrors. Hello. Here we have storage down below, more storage, ironing board, iron, torchlight, more storage above. And if we open this side, again, storage below, more storage, the bathrobe, hangers, and again more storage above. Here we have the bedside table with drawers, in-room telephone, a couple of lights, a plug and a USB port. We have a very nice looking bed, looks very plush. And for the other bedside table, we have a small drawer, a clock, another clock right here, but right here you have all the room controls with your temperature, fan speed for the climate control, the privacy switch, the clock controls, and all the light controls. There is also a plug right here together with a USB port and more lights. Here we have an armchair with a couple of tables. The view out of the window is of the green area in front of the hotel. You can see all the buildings in the distance, and the main view is of this office block that is next to the hotel. Okay, so right here we have the desk area with another in-room telephone, another light, all the plugs and whatnot. The bins down below. Here we have the in-room safe, more storage. That looks to be a DVD player. Place to put your luggage. flat screen Sony TV with the remote down there. And right in here, we have the toilet. Light switches for the toilet, or the bathroom if you will. Plug below. A bin. Another bathrobe. Another plug. The sink. Below, towels, hair dryer, more towels. Another mirror. Bottles of water. A couple of glasses, towels and toiletry stuff, tissues and whatnot. Another mirror. Here we have the bathtub, the toilet, the towel rack, and here we have the shower. It is a dual system, so you have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. The bathroom also comes with a view, so you have the same office building view as the room, and you can see a bit of the green area in front of the hotel right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2651 at Méridien Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye. So I forgot to show this just now, but these are the controls for the blinds for the bathroom. So they're powered and you have privacy when you're taking a shower or whatever it is you're doing in the bathroom.